Sunday, everyone. So today's video is a collab video with my friend Brittani, and she is a mama YouTuber who creates amazing lifestyle content. So go check her out. She is also doing a morning mommy routine as a stay-at-home mom, and I'm doing a working mom morning routine. So let's jump right into it. I'll make sure to leave all of her information down below if you want to go check her out and watch her video. Good morning, guys. So we're up bright and early. Kenzie generally wakes up anywhere between 7 and 8 a.m. every day. So right now it's 8 a.m. and we're just getting our start to the day. We generally always come in bed. I take her out of her crib, bring her in our bed, and read together. So she loves going through... What? You want me to read? She just loves going through her books and reading. And playing with her stuffed animals and little dolls. Alright, so that's enough talking. I'm gonna go make this little hungry monster some breakfast and get a start to our day. I need to get ready, do my makeup, all that fun stuff, so definitely come along with me. Today's breakfast is just going to be some eggs with some string cheese and some fruit if I can find any. We really need to go grocery shopping. We haven't been grocery shopping in a while. But generally she always loves eggs and avocado. It's like her favorite thing. I generally drop her off at my parents' house around 10 a.m. And we go hang out there for a little bit. Right now it's only 9 o'clock. So I'm getting her an early breakfast, but she generally will eat with my parents, and she loves it there. It's like her favorite place. Hey, no, that's an egg. That's gonna break. Welcome to toddlerhood, where the whining never stops and the tantrums are just ridiculous. Are you okay? We're gonna have breakfast. Do you want breakfast? This is her breakfast today. Super simple, just eggs, grapes, and string cheese. And she seems to love it. I need your guys' help because she's been doing this thing lately where she just throws her food intentionally, it feels like, and she'll look at me and just throw it, and I don't know what to do. We try and slap her hand, tell her no, but she just thinks it's really funny. So it's really hard because we have carpet. It's so messy. So I'm just kind of frustrated, but I'm trying not to be because I know she's just little. So if any of you mamas out there have any helpful tips on what to do with this situation, I would love your advice. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to get down? lives the best life, you guys. I want to be relaxed as she is in life. Oh, is that your belly? She keeps me on my toes, guys. I, of course, have to get out the vacuum after every meal with Kenzie because she just throws everything on the floor. This thing has literally been a lifesaver. I love this thing so much. I cannot tell you how many times me and James vacuum just because we think it's so fun. This is the Dyson, I think it's the V8 Animal, and we got it from Costco and it was on a great deal. I think this one was $3.20. But it's just so convenient. I cannot tell you enough how much we love it because it's just that good. Can you throw it away? Open it up. Put it in. Put it in. Good job. Close it. Good job, Kenzie. High five. Every morning and use a facial wash. Sometimes I'll use this one, the Micro Delivery by Philosophy Exfoliating Facial Wash, but this one might be a little too harsh for every day, so you can use whatever, you know, works. I like the Purity Cleanser, that one's really nice. And then after I cleanse, I will tone my face, and then I'll put on a serum, so I'll kind of pick whichever one I'm feeling that day. So today I will probably use the Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. This one is so good, you guys. Oh my god. But also this one is incredible as well. The Shiseido White Lucent Luminizing Surge. Love this stuff. And then I will go on with my moisturizer. So right now I'm using the Tidal by Sunday Riley Water Cream. This stuff is really good. Super, super moisturizing if you have dry skin. And then last step, I will go in with this Saturday Skin Brightening Eye Serum. This stuff is awesome, you guys. It's like a gel formula, so it's not a cream, and I love it. It's just so hydrating on the skin, so that's been something I love. So that's basically it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get her dressed and ready for the day. So we'll see how that goes. So today we are going to be matching. We are doing an Instagram photo for today, and this little sweatshirt is so pretty. It's from Old Navy. I love it so much, so I'm going to be putting her in this along with some olive pants, and then I have some olive pants, and then I have a matching sweatshirt from Old Navy. I love mine. I think it's so cute. I love the gold metallic lettering. So yeah, this is what we're wearing today. So now I'm going to try and get this little one dressed. Mornings before kids used to be so peaceful and calm, and I feel like I really took it for granted. Now they're just crazy, just a chaos mess. I feel like I'm rushing literally every day of my life. So it's been a huge adjustment for sure. I just have to take a lot of deep breaths and just remind myself that this isn't going to last forever and it's going to be okay. Right now I'm going into the office for my job, but in about a month I'm going to be working at home, so that'll be really nice. I've worked at home for the past like 4 years. But I went back in office for a different position, and so I've been there and I've really liked it. I love the people I work with. They're so awesome, and I love my job, but I'm ready to go home again. God knows these underbags need some serious help, so I always go a little bit thicker under my eyes. I feel like I haven't been getting a lot of sleep because Kenzie hasn't been feeling well, so we've been taking her into our bed, which is a horrible idea because she literally wants to sleep directly on top of my face, and I'm not even exaggerating. She loves mama. That's for sure. Hey guys, so basically I have a few minutes to myself. I dropped off Kenzie at my parents' house and now I am at home just finishing up a few different things. This is my first mommy routine. I've never done one, which is surprising. I feel like Kenzie is just a lot all of the time. She just like doesn't like getting dressed. She hates changing her diaper. She just wants to be independent at all times of the day. So if I ever like mess with her, she like doesn't like it. I'm glad you got to get a glimpse into real motherhood and real life. This is definitely our real morning routine that we do every day together. Kenzie definitely keeps me on my feet, but I wouldn't change it for a minute because she is so sweet and special and I just love her so much. Hopefully some of you can relate to being a full-time working mom. Feels like I have practically 2 full-time jobs with YouTube and working full-time and of course being a mama. It takes a lot of time getting yourself ready, let alone trying to get a toddler fed, dressed, and out the door in time. Most mornings it's complete chaos and I'm just like running around like a crazy person. But that's just real life, so I wanted to show you guys the real side of things and hopefully you're able to get a glimpse of that today. If you aren't subscribed, I would love for you to consider subscribing. It would mean so much for you to join this community and get to know you more. So leave a comment down below and tell me if you're a mama or a working mama or a stay-at-home mama. I just love getting to know all of you. It really does mean a lot when you comment and say hi and just give me such encouraging words. So I really appreciate that. Right now I'm gonna get out the door. I am gonna go pick up some Chipotle because that is my jam if you don't know. Don't forget to go check out Brittani's channel and all her content. She creates amazing mommy content, lifestyle, beauty, whatever you can think of. She's just a really genuine, real, awesome mom, and that's why I was super excited to be collabing with her. I just think her videos are really good. So thank you so much, Brittani, for collabing with me. I can't wait to go check out your morning mommy routine and see what it's like as a stay-at-home mom versus a working mom. I'll make sure to leave all of her information in the description box so you guys can go watch her content and subscribe to her as well. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. I will see you guys next week. Bye.